Premium fabric gaming chairs are soft, breathable, and durable. In comparison, Secretlab SoftWeave upholstery is thicker, softer, and more aesthetically complex. There are 8 styles in the SoftWeave collection. Here's our ranking of the best ones. Number 1. SoftWeave Triple Black. Triple Black ranks as the most versatile design for all tastes. This fabric fuses 3 shades of black thread with sporadic white ones. Black absorbs all colors of the spectrum, white reflects all colors. Up close, darkness gets broken up with a smattering of white speckles. From a distance, the white adds a very mild, almost imperceptible dusting.
Number 2. Minecraft Creeper Chair. This is the only fabric gaming chair blending 2 material colors. On the backrest, 3 shades of green form a stunning lime-colored hue. On the seat, there's black fabric speckled with green. At a gaming station, lime green against black produces a mild, refreshing feel. Call a doctor because this creeper chair is sick!
Number 3. Cookies and Cream. The Cookies and Cream chair blends silvery gray fabric with bits of black. Up close, the design comes alive with speckled noise. From a distance, it fades to a soft gray, like an old college sweatshirt.
Number 4. Plush Pink. The Plush Pink chair blends white patches into a mild pink fabric. At a workstation, the effects is surprisingly sophisticated. Instead of looking like a bubblegum princess, this style conveys a sultry, nurturing dynamic.
Number 5. Mint Green. This primordial hue recalls nature, abundance, and growth. The mint green chair captures that essence with a cool, reassuring blend of mint against white.
Number 6. Frost Blue. Blue lowers blood pressure. Its associations with the sea and sky also foster openness and tranquility. That makes the Frost Blue chair a great option for creatives.
Number 7. Arctic White. The Arctic White edition softens pure white with bits of mild gray. From a distance, the chair looks like a soft white. A closer look reveals some very mild visual noise.
Number 8. Overwatch D.va. Overwatch is a popular first-person shooter game by Blizzard Entertainment. D.va is one of the characters in the game. She's a South Korean pilot defending her homeland from monsters. The D.va Overwatch edition is a jazzed-up version of the Plush Pink. It pays tribute to D.va with her pink bunny logo and in-game decals.
So there you have it. 8 stunning SoftWeave styles, ranking by subjective preference.